Now we will talk about Pulkesin II was indeed a great ruler of the Chalukya dynasty, and there is ample evidence to support this claim. Here is why. First, military prowess and expansion victory over Harshvardhan Pulkesin. Its most significant achievement was his victory over powerful northern emperor Harshvardhan. The victory, which occurred on the bank of the Narmada river, halted Harshvardhan's southward expansion and solidified Pulkesin II's reputation as a formidable ruler. Next is southern conquest. Pulkesin II also achieved significant military success in the south. He defeated the Pallavas and Kadambas and the Ganges, expanding the Chalukya kingdom considerably. Naval power. He maintained a strong naval fleet, which allowed him to control the western coast of India and engage maritime trade. Efficient administrator, well-organized kingdom. Pulkesin II inherited a well-established administrative system and further strengthened it. He divided his kingdom into provinces, each governed by a viceroy, ensuring efficient governance. Revenue system. He had a well-organized revenue system which allowed him to collect tax efficiently and fund his military campaign and public work. Third, patron of arts and culture. Aihole inscription. The Aihole inscription, written by the court poet Ravi Kirti, praised Pulkesin II's achievement and provides valuable insight into his reign. This inscription is a treatment to his patronage of literature and the art. Religious tolerance. Pulkesin II was the tolerant ruler who supported various religious sects including Hinduism, Jainism and Buddhism. Diplomatic relations. Persian embassy. Pulkesin II maintained diplomatic relations with foreign powers including Persia. He exchanged embassy with the Persian king Khosrau II, which highlights his diplomatic skills and his interest in the international relations. Legacy. Long reign. Pulkesin II ruled over 30 years, which is testament to his stability and leadership. A strong kingdom. He left behind a strong and prosperous kingdom which continued to flourish under the successors. Evidence supporting his greatness. Historical records. The Aihole inscription is a primary source and provides detailed information about Pulkesin II's reign and achievement. Foreign accounts. The Chinese traveler Wang Zhang visited Pulkesin II's court and described him as the just and kind ruler. Archaeological evidence. Numerous inscriptions and coins from his reign have been discovered, which provide further evidence his achievement. Now one should conclude. Pulkesin II was a great ruler who combined military prowess, administrative skills and diplomatic acumen to create a powerful and prosperous kingdom. His victory over Harshvardhan, his southern conquest and his efficient administration all contributed to his reputation as one of the greatest ruler of the Chalukya dynasty. Okay. That's all about Pulkesin II. Now we will start the series with Delhi Sultanate, segment wise, and after that modern India. Concluding that, I will start MCQ session and almost 500 questions on MCQ given from the questions asked in various PCS and UPS exams. After that we will start polity session, Indian polity. I think it would be concluded within 10 days. History will be concluded, and after that 15 days I will try to conclude economics and polity. Okay, thank you very much. Please subscribe.